The Mahindra XUV 3XO's infotainment system serves as the central hub for your vehicle's navigation, entertainment, and vehicle information features. Unfortunately, many users have reported common issues with the system, including lagging, freezing, unresponsiveness, and sometimes complete system failures. Android Auto connectivity problems are also frequently reported. The good news is that Mahindra has been actively releasing software updates to address these concerns. It's important to understand that your infotainment system is essentially a computer built into your car. Just like any computer, it can experience glitches and benefit from occasional restarts. Before attempting any troubleshooting, the first crucial step is ensuring your system software is up to date. This often resolves many of the reported issues. Finally, if you're experiencing intermittent issues, it's crucial to document the problem. Take a video or picture when the system is failing, as this will help service technicians diagnose the issue more effectively. Now that you understand the common issues and importance of documentation, let's explore the various reset methods available to resolve these problems. The simplest reset method is a power cycle. Turn off your vehicle completely, wait a few minutes, then restart it. This basic restart often resolves minor glitches and temporary system freezes. If power cycling doesn't work, look for a dedicated reset button or try a button combination. Check your owner's manual for the specific reset button location or the correct button sequence for your model. Software updates are crucial for fixing infotainment issues. Check your system settings for available updates or contact your Mahindra Service Center. Many problems are resolved with the latest software version. As a last resort, perform a factory reset. This will erase all personal settings and data, restoring the system to its original state. Look for this option in your System Settings menu. If none of these methods work, or if you're uncomfortable performing them yourself, contact your Mahindra Service Center for professional assistance. Important: avoid force restarting the system, as this could potentially cause damage.